Change has always fascinated me, and it's not just about the events that happen, but it's about how we respond to them, what we think, how we feel, and the choices we make next. For over 3 decades, I've helped people understand the deeper layers of change, why it unsettles them, what it reveals, and how it can become the most powerful turning point in our lives. Those light bulb moments when everything clicks. God, such a fantastic feeling. And helping people do this and achieve those light bulb moments is my passion and my purpose on this planet. It's not just what I do, it's who I am. When we understand our own patterns, the ones that keep us stuck on looping, we unlock the clarity and the confidence to move forward with purpose. Because it's not just about getting through the change, it's about growing through the change. It's about how you then move forward in your life of transformation. God, that's amazing as a coach. And I'd love to share that with you. Have a great day. Bye.